Hi, this is Teacher Luz of Kanglish.com. Today, we will study Unit 2 of the book Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Now, let's learn how to make questions using the linking verbs am, is, and are. We learned that am, is, and are forms of the verb be, and we can use them in making positive and negative sentences. We usually use these verbs to link the subject and the information about the subject together. Do you remember our formula? It's subject plus linking verb plus additional information about the subject. We have here examples. You have she is speaking English and she is at home. Now, we can also use am, is, and are in making questions. How do we do that? Of course, we start with making positive sentences first. For example, you have I am. When you are making it into a question, you say, am I? Now, the same thing goes with he, she, it, and is. You just put the linking verb first. It's is he, is she. The same thing goes with are. And the words we could use with the word are. It's we, you, and they. Now, we have some examples of sentences right here. You have, am I late? The answer, of course, is no, you're on time. Is your mother at home? To answer it, you say no, she is out, or no, she's out. Are your parents at home? No, they're out. Is it cold in your room? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? Now, I know that it may be a little confusing to use am, is, and are when you are making questions, but it's really quite simple. Let's simplify it. You have, of course, your positive sentence. We have an example. She is at home. Of course, to label it, you have S, or your subject, which is she, your linking verb is, and your additional information about your subject, which is at home. Now, how can we make this into a sentence? It's very easy. You just interchange or switch your subject and your linking verb. So, she is at home instantly becomes is she at home? You can see that we mentioned or we used the linking verb first and then the subject. And of course, the additional information at the end. So it's very simple. She is at home becomes is she at home? For my next example, they are new. How can you turn that into a sentence? You interchange they and are. So it becomes, are they new? See, it's quite simple. Now, we have here other sentences that will demonstrate my point. We used the first one in our example. Is she at home? Or you can also say, is your mother at home? And of course, you say it like this one and not, is at home your mother? This is wrong, okay? Next, are they new? Or you can also say, are your shoes new? Not, are new your shoes? Well, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new today. Now, please keep in mind that we can learn a lot more about making questions with am, is, and are in the part 2 of this lesson. Okay? Have a great day!